What's up, brick builders? Today's build is Dracula. This is set number MMMB042. Year it came out was 2011. Age group 6+, and it's got a piece count of 41. Hello folks, Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Welcome to another build video, and yeah, this is a pretty cool build, but I'm just going to let you know right now that if you look on Rebrickable, for the parts list for this particular set, it is wrong, completely wrong. And at the moment I am currently working with Rebrickable to update their list and also have the correct parts inventory list for this particular set. So what we're going to do, usually we would build to some music, but I am going to show you exactly what you're going to need for this build. It might be a little bit of a longer video, but it's a cool model and it's worth building. Let's dive in and see what parts we got. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start off with a 1x4 brick special with 4 studs along the side there. That's black. Then we got 2 1x1 snot bricks, just with the 1 stud on the front. So we got 2 of those in black and 2 of them in white. Okay. Then we have 2 1x1 circular plates, white. We have 2 2x2 black plates and 1 2x2 white plate. 1 1x2 red plate. 1 2x2 black tile with the ridge. If you don't have the ridge, that's okay, it will work. 2 red 1x2 jumper plates with the ridge. Now this is part of the content that is missing on that list. So it's 2 red jumper plates and 1 white jumper plate, also missing from the list. 1 2x3 angled plate, black, left wing and the right wing. Then we have 1 red 4x4 plate. This is also missing from the list. It's down as 2 2x4s. It will work, but that's not what was in the set. And 1 left wing 3x6 in black. And also 1 right wing, which these 2 are also missing in that particular list. 1 light bluish grey 2x6 curved plate, curved on each side. This is also missing from that list. 1 2x2 black inverted brick. 2 1x1 black bricks. 2 1x1 lantern bricks. Now the difference between the snot brick and the lantern brick is the lantern brick has this little ledge here. See that? That kind of makes it look like the lantern, whereas the snot brick does not. So that's the difference between those two. 1 1x2 white brick. 1 1x2 black brick. 2 1x2 black panels, square corners. If you have curved corners, that's not a problem at all. Those will work as well. 2 1x1 white mini mountain or 1x1 slope bricks. 2 red 1x1 mini mountain red slope bricks. And 2 black 1x1 mini mountain slope bricks. And last of all, we have 1x1 black tile with ridge. And if you have the ones without the ridges, they will still work. Now it's time to build to some music. This is super cool. A lot of good build techniques in there. Well, I say a lot. There's a few good build techniques in there. The rest of it's fairly basic. The cape is really cool with the collar at the top there. I like that design. That's very cool. What I really like is how this waistcoat piece came together. Reversing this brick, and the two bricks that I was using in the middle that I pointed out. Let's see if I can quickly show you. These two here in the middle there are the lantern bricks. That was what helped hold those in place and in a nice tight fit, and then just add those cheese wedges to the studs on these bricks, which was a really cool idea, because it blended in with this mini mountain at the bottom here for his was it what do they call them? Can't remember now. Those little bands that go across the waist. Yeah, I can't remember what they're called. Answers on a postcard on that one. But it's like a sash, that sash there and stuff, which is really cool. I like that they used the white as his face as well. I think that's really cool. A light grey might have been okay, but white's pretty cool. Yeah. Also, the collar here on his on the top there where his head is being used by the jumper plates. Very cool. Gave you that neck shape as well. This is such a cool build. There you go, folks. Dracula. You can add him to your collection of monster builds that we've got going on this Halloween. This is like the build up to Halloween. We got a few more days left to go, and it will be spooky hour. Ooh. We got some more builds coming up for you guys. They're getting a little bit bigger. This one I found a little bit later on, so it kind of went down. The piece count went down a little bit, but yeah, brilliant. Anyway, too much talking. Folks, if you enjoyed this content and you want to see some more like this, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share with your friends and family and anybody else who you think would be interested in seeing this kind of content, or with Lego bricks and stuff like that. Also, don't forget to put your notifications on to all so you don't miss the next video, which I will see you in. I'm Sean from Bricks. I almost did it. I'm Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Peace.